Annyeong, it's Mikey here. Today's video, guys, is gonna be on my top 5 favorite budget switches. So we got a list of different ones from Gateron Smoothie, the WJ Studio Morandi, Akko Yellow Cream, Gateron Milky Yellow, even the MMD Princess, and also the Skyloong X Gateron and Gateron's collab switches. All of them, they go from a different price range. Of course, some are going to be a little bit even more budget, and some a little bit pricier compared to the really budget ones. But these are going to be my top 5 plus some honorable mentions. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe and like the video. Really appreciate all of you guys' support, and I hope I can keep growing this channel to something even better. So hope you guys enjoy.
So as you can see, the KTT Kangs don't actually have too much stem wobble, and I think they're very smooth and really great, and also very cheap. These ones are the Gateron Milky Pro Yellows, and as you can see, there is a little bit of stem wobble vertically, but not too bad, and actually horizontally as well is not too bad either. And because of that, I think these ones are really a great choice as well. Sounds very creamy, and it is really nice. The next is the Gateron Smoothies. Now these ones have almost no stem wobble, vertically like very little, and then horizontally like none. And also they're very smooth stock, which is really amazing. And of course, these ones are priced really well. As you guys saw earlier, these ones are the Gateron X Skyloong, so collab switches. These ones, I have two different choices. These ones I chose the silver because I like them more. Of course, because they're box shaped, you're not going to have that much stem wobble. And these ones are also very great budget switches. I like the silver over the purple just because it does make a little bit of a deeper sound compared to the purples. Now, out of all of them, I'm going to be honest, my favorite always has been the VJ Studio Morandis. They do have a little bit of vertical stem wobble, as you guys will see, as well as a little bit of horizontal stem wobble. Now, every batch is a bit different. There has been so many reviews out there that a lot of people have gotten really bad batches, and it does move around a lot. I personally really like them. I haven't had any issues with them, and they're actually quite quiet as well, which is what I really prefer. So I'll just show you guys what the backlighting looks like for each switch. Of course, I find that the ones with the light diffuser, of course, are going to have better lighting. The KTT Kang also is not bad just because it does have the see-through. So let's look at each one.
So what'd you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite, and even comment below what other budget switches are out there that you guys really enjoy. I'd love to try different ones. Hopefully, I can get my hands on many different ones. As you guys can see here, like there's a little bit mixed up on some of them, but I carry a bunch of switches. I don't know if you guys use containers like this for your switches. I've run out of containers, which is why I had to combine some. I'm definitely gonna have to get some more. So please let me know below in the comments what was your favorite and what other ones did I miss. This is just my personal top 5 so far of 2024, and I'm sure there's gonna be more to come. So please like, subscribe, and come back for more videos. I'm gonna be doing a lot more different videos in the future, and really appreciate your support. So I'll see you guys next time.